Ciao, it's your girlie Ann Anderson. So as you can see, I'm looking super crusty. Like this lockdown has got me looking so crusty. So I decided to show you how I do my updo hairstyle with my natural 4C hair. So firstly, what I'm doing is I'm removing off the wool that's in my hair. I put wool on my hair so that I can avoid it from shrinking while I'm sleeping. And I do not like using a hair dryer to dry my hair because I'm afraid of heat damage. Once I'm done removing the wool off my hair, I will apply this Expert Care Spray. It helps to strengthen and restore and protects damaged hair. And I'm mostly spraying this on my scalp, and once I'm doing that, I'm applying some hair food on my hair. And make sure you apply enough on the ends of your hair because that is your old hair and they need so much attention. So I'm just doing that, making sure I apply enough. Next, I'm taking this big comb and I'm using it to detangle my hair because like my hair had been in wool for about a week now, so I'm trying to detangle all of that. And I'm also starting with the ends, working my way down. Now guys, I have to say I'm really impressed with the length of my hair right now. Now I'm going to tightly tighten up my hair and I'm going to use wool to tightly tie my hair. Yes. Now guys, as you can see, I have a big forehead and I have been bullied about it in high school, but I have learned to embrace it, and I've learned that there's no need for us to be perfect to inspire others, but we should let people get inspired by how we deal with our imperfections. Yes. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my comb and I'm just making sure I just detangled my hair properly. want to make sure everything is laid back and tightly tied. So I'm taking this wool, and I like tying my hair with wool because wool just tightly holds your hair and you don't need to worry about it being loose. Next, I'm taking these braids that I kept from my old hairstyle, and I'm going to use them to make the bun on my head. And I'm just using a little bit of braids because I don't want my bun to be too big. Now I'm taking this ponytail and I'm trying to make a strong knot on the braids so that I can connect them to my hair. Now I'm connecting the braids to my hair. Now I'm just twisting the braids so that I can twist it nicely around to make a nice bun on my head. Now I'm just checking if I'm impressed with the shape, so I'm just gonna keep trying and patting the bun so that it comes up in the shape that I want it to be. Next, I'm taking some pins and I'm just pinning all the short hair down because y'all know during the day this hair could come up and look weird. Or if you want to avoid that, you can use gel, but at the moment I don't have enough gel, so I'm just patching my hair and using the pins. Next, I'm using this black freeze gel and I'm going to use it to lay my edges down. Now I'm just taking the gel that was on my hands and I'm just applying it just to help lay the hair down in front. Next, I'm taking this old toothbrush and I'm using it to style my edges. once I'm done doing my edges, I'm going to take a scarf and I'm going to tie it very tightly on my head so that my edges can lay down properly. Now I'm going to leave this on my head for about 5 minutes and I'm going to do my makeup, and this is the final look, everyone. Yes, looking fine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and see y'all in the next video.